let's get right to it. That bottle hold. Ooh. What? Don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, I should probably put in text somewhere. In case someone popped in and is like, are you playing this? Oh, Daddy, hello! I forget, we start off this game with that intro. I forgot. And because it has missing content. Oh wait, really?
Right on time. Now get up there and let's see what he's up to in the middle of
Where's the rest of the content? Right now. I kind of wanted to buy the game to play on stream, but I'm like, nah, I'm too tired. I'll just watch someone else play it. This is actually not the gameplay though. This is this is like all the cinematics compiled together. Oh, I have to say the graphic is very nice. I'm not a big fan of the franchise, so I don't know how it compares. It also seems to be a PS2 game. Am I wrong? Is it an Xbox game? The control seems to be PS2. Or sorry, PS4. Is it 5 now? I don't know. Stand by for launch. We're launching a missile. Basically, I'm gonna treat this like it's a movie. Except I'm talking through it. I'm sorry. I swear when I go to watch movies, I don't- What the fuck? Oh my god, I forgot about this part. Why do I forget things after I see them? This is so weird. Like, I was just watching this an hour ago. Again, I didn't see the whole game cinematics yet, like this entire video yet. Wait, are you manually guiding the missile? Oh, that is pretty cool. Ooh, can you guys hear the sound clearly? Oh, it's in my ears. I'm wearing headphones. Oh, oof. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, I like this too. I like this close-up of his face. You'll stand by that and take it to your grave? Xbox Series X. I see. Damn, indeed. I know. That's how they introduce you into this game. It's just bam. Kaboom, kaboom.
Might as well.
General Shepard.
Oh, I know that look. Are we at war?
You would be the first to know, sir.
Damn right I would.
He's just... This is like the most generic American general. I mean, props to the actor for pulling off, obviously. They used mocap on this one.
He's taken up the mantle for Iran.
Supplying terrorists.
Vin Diesel.
Weapons,
I don't...
He's ambitious.
He's dangerous, sir. He wants retaliation for the Garage.
I know a lot of people find Vin Diesel attractive. I think he's a bit mid.
Make him in Iran.
But that's just me. That's just me.
He's not in.
I don't know my geography very well either.
When?
What time is it now?
That's a good line.
Who do we send?
Are we sending Daddy Ghost?
Wheels up in 5.
How's the audio? You guys need it louder or quieter?
You and the sergeant are leading the way on this. Sergeant, you're so McTavish. Let's get ourselves a win, yeah?
Oh! LG. Save you a seat, sir.
Ghost, you copy? Yes, sir. Any issues? Negative, sir.
Yes, sir. Negative, sir.
Airstrikes are hitting positions bordering Al Mazrah. Intel confirms a concentration of AQ fighters converging in the valley. We believe they're protecting something.
Manly man, sir.
Soldiers guarding 3 structures.
They're British. I just realized they're British.
Hold up inside. Ghost and Soap will lead a Marine Special Operations unit to kill or capture Hassan tonight. One helo will insert 2 teams at separate offset points bordering the target area. Bravo team will sweep and clear buildings 1 and 2. Alpha team takes building 3. All shooters execute authority, but we want Hassan alive for interrogation.
Okay.
Be advised, Major Hassan is AQ's lifeline. If he is there, they will die for him. Good hunting.
Bravo team off boat here. Alpha team stays on board to land downrange. Both teams meet in the middle. Remember, we want Hassan alive, but this is capture or kill. Keep up, son.
I feel like would. Huh? Captain Price is the one with the hat, right? Yeah, I don't think I like him that much. Like his hat is just, you know, a bit off-putting. No, I'm kidding. And he's kind of who are we right now? And that's Ghost. Like, who do you play as in this game? It seems like you keep changing perspectives from one character to another. Oh, you're playing just as a soldier? I think you play as different characters though, right? Why is this... Okay, whoever is playing this game, stop shooting at the wall. Like, you're fighting AI. You're not even fighting...
There's one in that hallway.
He threw the flash grenade back at them. What the fuck?
Rockets down.
Okay.
Man down. AQ sniper on the roof. Get down. Sniper down. Who's it? 7-5 is down. More snipers on the roof. Take them out. How the fuck are they seeing this? AQ's sniping.
Dude.
Out here. Sergeant.
See, this is what I mean, like, AI is very different from people. Like, AI would just stand there and take the bullet to the face, whereas people would just duck under cover or move. You can't hit. I know. I'm sorry. I don't know why I picked this guy to watch, but this is pretty funny. If nothing else, we can feel better about ourselves. No, I'm kidding. I'm sure he's doing his best, and because of him, we can see the cinematics. Okay. Oops, I moved us along a little too far, I think. Oh, that's Ghost. Oh my god. Okay, Ghost doing anything is hot. Ghost doing... Hey, wait, let's go. I think it's here. And shake a bit, okay? So I think he's just a little nervous. He's just a little bit nervous, you know? Let's not be dicks. Even though I was shitting on him earlier, I'm sorry. No, I'm not a simp. I don't simp. I simp for nobody. He is hot though. He is hot.
Up to the second deck. Pushing to second deck.
We're staring at his ass. That's why put on the night vision goggles so we can see you better. Thank you, sir, for whoever you are that's playing this game, or madam. Whoa. That was quick. Okay, this is a little boring now.
Lost him when we secured the crash site.
Oh.
So he was here. Lost him when we secured the crash site. Are you saying we shouldn't have helped?
Oh, we're Soap. We're Soap McTavish. McTavish, that's an Irish name or Scottish name, right? Actually, oh, he has a giant hammer. Just realized. And I'm not talking about his other hammer. Stuff.
What the fuck is this?
Yes, the band hammer. Wait, should I have a band hammer too?
Ballistic missiles. It's a mobile launcher. These will go 1,000 miles. Yeah, at least. How the hell
At least.
Get their hands on this? 7-6. Get us through to Laswell.
Roger, stand by. Bravo 7-6 Charlie to Watcher 1. How copy?
This is Watcher 1, send traffic.
Laswell, this is Ghost. We got something.
Tell me you found Hassan.
Ghost. Take a look at this. Negative. We found a weapons cache. Hassan's got missiles. They're American.
07, this is Gold Eagle. Actual, repeat your last.
I'll say again, Hassan has American missiles.
All right, clear the room. Let's go. Everybody out, now. Iran is in possession of American missiles.
American missiles in AQ's hands.
Hassan
Dun,
has
dun,
been
dun, dun.
testing out our ballistic
Wait,
missiles
AQ
like
is-
it's fucking Halloween, and we didn't know
Is that what I
about it.
think it is? I don't want to say it the word in case I get banned.
Deniability, my ass.
I get the
All
ban
over
hammer.
this. I want to know how many days negative. I want them destroyed.
General, there's valuable intel
Wait,
there.
he's so
This
bald.
is an intelligence
But not like in an
failure,
attractive
Laswell.
way.
It's
He's
not
bald
gonna
like
be
in the
a
creepy
tactical
uncle
one. There
way,
will
you
be
know?
500 enemy soldiers on that site by sunrise. We need a
Sorry,
way
that's a bit
fast.
mean. A lot of people go through balding.
Gold Eagle
That's a
actual
natural
to
process,
Ghost.
you know, losing
Move your
hair.
team and call for fire. I want those weapons destroyed.
Right, that's where we're in position.
I think Laswell and Price have a thing, don't they?
Got AQ loading cargo into a
Is that the
barge.
Assassin's Creed outfit from 3?
Get aboard
Maybe.
and find out who they're working with.
Ooh, speaking of Assassin's Creed, I actually do have Assassin's Creed game. You guys want to play that instead for Christmas? I kind
Deal with him. Copy. Coming your way now.
Syringe.
Poison?
Non-lethal. It'll take him out of commission.
CIA shit.
Oh yeah, she's CIA, right?
Use the needle on the guard.
She's
to
the
know all
spy.
about it.
And you?
Silent takedown!
Too many up. Guards down. Bridge is clear.
Here's the thing though,
Regroup on me.
those type of like tranquilizer stuff, like they don't actually work that fast. It usually takes a little longer in real life, but video game logic. Video game logic.
We just on as we speak.
Copy. Where's FBI on this?
FBI
Oh, we have another team. Yeah, okay, see. They introduce us to like the main character like Ghost and Soap. I think they're the main characters, right? Is there any main character in this series?
Karate watcher.
I feel like there's just so many characters. We don't know who the main character is. People. Okay, let's just skip ahead. Let's just skip ahead. Oh, no, I pushed too far ahead.
in the area.
I know. Just keep pushing FBI and contact local PD. Out.
So the first team that we were looking over shoulder with was like Ghost, and then Ghost was Soap, and then Captain Price and fuck, what was the other? Who's the other guy? Price and I don't remember. Anyways, and now we're Alejandro and Rodolfo. So this is a really good way to introduce characters, I think. It's just to... I think this is still kind of like the intro part of the game, aren't we? 30 minutes in. Ooh. Is that still considered? I feel like intro to a game should be within the first 10 minutes. I think they're dragging out the intro a bit long.
Get back inside.
Oh shit!
El campo está libre. Muévete. You want some too? Fuck you.
Get the fuck back.
Now. Don't shoot.
He changed his tune very fast.
There go.
Asshole. But then again, life would be too quiet, wouldn't it? I will shoot you if I have to. Alejandro! Alejandro!
These are her guys. Hard to tell you boys apart from cartel. Where's your suspect?
Why, is it because he's Mexican? Oh! Was that a grenade launcher? Did he just got grenaded?
Policía! ¡No disparen! ¡No disparen!
Cuidado con los enemigos.
Okay, did this guy know that there was a person around the corner? Like, is he using some sort of cheat? Some sort of hack? I said give a... He hacking. Yeah, he's a hacker. Oh my god! We got shot! Oh no, we got kicked in the tummy!
Burn everything. Don't know who I am.
A good gamer is always careful. Not my tummy! No! That's your mistake, sir. I'm fireproof!
No, coronel. No puedo salir.
Alejandro! He came to save him! Us, him. I don't know, like, see, that's the thing about games like this is like, you're not playing as one character, you're playing as like multiple different characters, and then you get really confused. I feel like it's much better as a cinematic though. Like, I do enjoy watching it. They meet each other! See, they introduce the different teams, and now we're putting them together. It's like when we're doing arts and crafts, we have to first assemble the pieces, and then we put the pieces together. The numbers Mason. What do fire resistant potion for 8 minutes?
Alejandro! Call me so. Lieutenant. That's what says they call you Ghost. Actually, I believe he prefers to That'll do. Welcome to the city of Salt.
Ghost is just like, that'll do! No. Phantasmas. That's right, Phantasmas is Ghost.
No.
No Pablo. No Pablo? No Pablo. No Pablo Espanol. No Pablo Espanol. No Espanol Pablo. Pablo no Espanol. My boyfriend taught me how to say I don't speak Spanish in Spanish, and I already forgot how to say it. This is the meme! It's the meme! Look at those dead eyes! That dead eye stare!
Where can we find him? You can't. No one knows who he is. But he is everywhere.
Everywhere.
Challenge. Los vaqueros like challenges.
Actually, I really like Alejandro.
Fit in well, so you got
Ghost. More of the meme. One car ride to start a whole batshit load of memes. It's Metal Gear Rising all over again. Tres, dos, unos. Move fast, move faster, move faster with the memes! Oh my god! We can never escape Metal Gear Rising. The memes are forever. They're the DNA of the soul!
Where to, Alejandro? Soap, push forward. Rodriguez, keep working the radio.
So push forward.
Watch for snipers.
Push of you. Push of you. Watch for snipers. I like his voice actually. I don't know. I'm making fun of him. I like his voice, but I'm making fun of him for some reason. What's wrong with me?
You know your way. We used to cut school and play here.
Until the cartels moved in.
Exactly. Narcos changed everything.
Wait, they used to play on these mountain ridges as children? That sounds really dangerous. No! Buddy!
Bloody good show, mate.
Jump from here. Don't lose your weapon. Ghost. Thank you, Ghost. Isn't he so nice to us? So chivalrous? Chivalrous? Chivalrous.
Move down river to the bridge. Use the rocks for cover.
Chivalrous.
All stations, this is Victor 01. How copy?
No one. You boys good to roll off Hassan with some fire from the sky?
Let's wrap this fucker
Look,
up.
look.
Grace.
Solid cover.
Why? I don't know why, but if you look over here, it looks like Ghost is wearing sunglasses. Look.
We are pushing to the...
Look, look, look.
Let's wrap this fucker up, Grace.
Is he wearing sunglasses?
We are pushing to the target directly. Shadow 1 out.
Send traffic.
Had to bail your boys out. Luckily, they have friends in high places.
That's what you're there for. Tell me something good.
We got a hit on Hassan. Approaching the target location now.
I don't know why, but this guy gives me very sussy vibes.
Report back when Hassan's in the bag.
Roger that. Out here.
You stupid. What's 9 plus 10?
These guys on the ground.
90!
Special forces, 141. They are
That's what 9 plus 10 is, right?
back your own. And let's get this done, yeah? All right.
We'll mark our position with IR laser. Over. Roger that, 07.
How do we find
Isn't
Hassan?
it? Isn't it?
Can't tell protection. Raves
But that shadow guy looks very sus to me. He just gives me very sussy vibes. He's very baka sussy. Sussy baka. Woo, that is a very nice logo.
Off the trigger.
Y'all got a clear picture?
Crystal.
All set.
Crystal, guys.
You're alive, folks.
You speak Arabic?
No.
Wait, isn't this Modern Warfare 2? World War 2.
Of course not.
Oh wait, isn't that the one with the
Now
zombies?
speak your bastardized
The
medieval
zombie...
because you're all
Nazis. Nazis. Zombie Nazis.
You're talking to Al-Quds Force officer.
You're the commander of a foreign terror organization.
I can say the same to you.
What's your target?
I mean...
What was your target when you sent missiles to my land?
Oh, wild guess to nail your ass.
So insolent and foul-mouthed. You will learn to respect me when your nation sees fire.
Yeah, okay, like, he had a point about, like, the terror, like, terrorist things depend on your perspective and point of view. But, like, that's not, that's, no.
Where'd you get American missiles from?
Burning up civilians does not make you suddenly the good guy. It's Mark Wahlberg.
Take a look
Oh,
around,
I don't know who Mark Wahlberg is, but okay, I'll trust you on
Part
it.
of the food chain,
Oh, those coyote sounds.
or you can start talking.
Again, this guy is really sussy. I don't know why, but he looks very sussy.
Prisoner of war. Iran is not at war with Mexico. I've broken no laws. These men and their commanders are the lawbreakers. You and your beloved General Gobani do not speak his name! You executed him and you will pay for your crimes.
Oh, right, the general guy from the very beginning that Ghost was like, I found the general, and they send like a rocket. Like, it was, honestly, it's a bit of overkill sending a rocket, but...
Illegal right now. He is too hot to hold.
Tell me you're getting something actionable.
Guy in Uncharted. Oh! I like, did you see Ghost just hovering in the background there?
There's nothing I would like.
I love how, like, his one defining trait is just him, like, in the background, like, being, like, very tall and menacing.
Be serious.
Look, the guy is huge. Look at him. Like, so, I think he's supposed to be, like, 6 foot, right?
Did we get anything from his phone?
Did we get anything from his phone?
We got a hit.
Good. Now,
Take him back and let him go.
Like, see every frame he's in, he's just like he's just hovering like heads above everyone else.
Cartels and terrorists. Strange bedfellows, huh?
Terrorists are all about the past. Narcos are all about the future.
What's the common ground?
Territory and fresh blood. They both attract the youth. Always a long line of new recruits.
2.5 notches. Aim for the head.
Bullseye.
Okay, he's actually really good shot. Like early in the game, he just needed to warm up. This guy that's playing, he's actually really good at this game.
Ascending.
Oh, there's a guy down here. There's no longer a guy down here.
Towards the ocean.
What is it?
Boats are closing in. Looks like AQ. They have weapons. Contact!
That's law as well. Contact. Engaging. Oh my god, he's back to being really bad at shooting again. You were so good at shooting earlier. Why are you so You aim higher! Aim higher! Gravity exists! When you shoot, the bullet doesn't go straight in, it dips down. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Captain, it's Farah.
Farah. Farah. Dude, we have a badass female on a motorbike. This game just went from pretty good to pretty badass. I like calls for aid. Roll hand answers.
Had a friend in need. Be ready.
All set. See you down the road.
All stations. We're on the move.
Skip ahead, skip ahead. Ooh, a tank!
Position.
Wait, in position for what? Oh!
Charge and get out of there, Sergeant.
Wait. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Charge is set.
On the left. Jump across.
Oh my! That looks fun. Alright, skipping ahead. Watch that stream too? Yeah. I think you were there. I think you were there.
Check it. We're clear. Kate. It's over. It's over.
It's a family reunion.
We'll miss it.
Farah. Nice moves, Laswell. You too. All of you.
We're in Al Mazrah. We're gonna get somewhere safe now.
Captain's right.
Yeah, that was sorry, but that was a bit of awkward interaction. Like you had such a fast-paced thing, and suddenly just standing around going, "Nice moves, everybody! Nice moves."
We're even then. Mit auf viel Nakina. Until next time, Captain.
Alfie Nakina.
John, it's okay.
I think I butchered that.
John, stop.
That sounds really cool.
Fine. Got bigger
I ship
problems.
these two. These two are cute.
Missiles were never in Spain. The guidance systems were.
Guidance systems. Where the hell did they get those?
Russians.
Where are they?
Casa de ese nombre.
Oh, we're back! We're back in Mexico!
The cartel lieutenant.
Órale, güey. ¿Estás aprendiendo? My sources tell me all the VIPs in Las Almas will be there tonight.
Oh, Ghost!
Some are invited, others are
And there's Ghost in the back. He's always like doing this like power stance thing too. Like it's not just like idly standing by. He's like, oh.
One house shouldn't be a
We
problem.
need sin nombre alone.
Show 'em this.
Oh, he did a little finger flip thing. Good mocap. Good mocap.
All right, let's gear up.
Alejandro, how you doing?
Vaquero inside.
God damn. How'd you do that?
Violently.
Violently.
Alejandro, how did you... No time. Listen. Give them good intel.
Oh yeah, Soph didn't realize Alejandro had snuck in.
Tell them everything. Everything. Mexican Special Forces, American DMC's Shadow Company, Philip Graves. All truth. Even your name.
No, I don't think he's a very Sukasa Mikasa guy. He's more of a Mikasa, Sukasa Mikasa type of guy.
¿Qué vergas estás haciendo? Llevo días sin dormir. El patrón no quiere drogas. Diego, ya sé, pero es solo para estar al 100.
Oof. This is why you need a workers' union. This guy was acting all tough and shit. I'm sorry, I'm just... This is the true Mexican spirit. The lady of a house that rules that house.
You answer truthfully. Do not lie to me. Recently, we were protecting a friend in the mountains. Someone attacked us there. Who?
Ooh. Oh, indeed.
En inglés, pal gringo.
That's right, we're a white boy right now.
Your turn, Blanquito.
Blanquito, does that mean white boy? Oh no, they don't lie, dude! We were told not to lie!
He's lying. My troops are fighting against the attackers.
You sure of this?
It wasn't army. It was Mexican special forces.
Is there a difference though?
That's not what you said before.
Ah, it's because you lie!
And you'll drift back home in pieces.
It's mommy. Sandro.
Graves. Phil Graves.
Oh, that's right, it's a pun! Philip Graves. That makes it even more sussy.
Graves.
I feel like it just makes him more of a sussy bucka.
He wants the missiles you're moving.
Snake Gummy said.
Let's put a face to the
Hey,
name.
Cam.
Spain arrived on schedule. I can assure you my men will conclude the arrangement and the packages will be in place.
Sin nombre. ¿Estás preparado para otro visitante?
Feliz viaje.
She's the boss!
Empecemos.
Capture! Oh, she has very well manicured nails. They're pink.
Hiding in plain sight.
Hiding? Estoy en todas partes, soldado.
That's good. So are we. Let's go.
Yeah, he has very sussy bucka vibes. I don't know why, but it's just so sussy bucka-y.
¿Qué pasa?
Valeria! I know her!
Wait, what? Are we about to have another plot twist? What the fuck?
I'm see. All right, how do you two know each other?
No is a strong word.
Las palabras fuertes son importantes. Nuestra palabra es nuestro valor, ¿no?
De la verga, hija de puta que te hueva.
Calmado, comandante.
Ya, ya.
He's so pissed.
Vamos.
Were they lovers?
I don't take orders anymore.
We serve together.
Oh,
Different squads,
okay.
same unit.
So same thing.
Usted. You disgrace the army.
Deception. Disgrace.
You tell me.
10 seconds, or I'm going to show you the difference between military and me.
Yeah, he's very much giving me sussy vibes.
I move things. I can tell you where to find the missiles.
I don't know why. Like, okay, maybe I'm being too harsh on him. Maybe I don't trust people well enough.
And get the fuck out of Las Almas. Se me largan ya.
And Ghost is just hovering in the back there.
Deal. Until then, you're staying.
Eliminate all threats.
Ooh. I like it when the movies, like, they make it look like the camera lens is also getting splashed. It's really cool effect.
You've got 3 AQ internal. Making entry. Where are the controls?
damn ship. Actual, we got a problem. Missile is armed. Controls are somewhere on the ship.
You have your orders, son. Stop that launch.
Alejandro, take overwatch. Soap, you're with me. We're moving to that ship.
I'll keep you covered.
Going to the ship.
Look up, Sergeant.
All stations, visual on the missile controls. Say again, missile controls are on the bridge.
Copy that.
Wait, how did this guy got here before us?
Alright, stand back! Shadow 1 going explosive on bridges. 3, 2, 1, execute! Shadow, move on the bridge. Come on, baby, come on, baby, come on, baby. Fuck. We can't disarm it.
Why?
It's too late.
There's no abort code?
Yeah, well, that window's closed on that, boys. Gold Eagle actual, this is Shadow 1, missiles in boost phase, about to burn. How come?
Solid, Shadow. If we can't disarm, then we detonate.
Roger that, actual, standby. Soap, get on the controls, we're gonna have to do this together. Now the clock is ticking, so we gotta move, brother, all right? It's a two-man job, Soap.
I'm in.
Actual, we're on the con. What's the order?
Input the DAL code and let the payload strike.
What's a DAL code?
Detonate after launch.
We're gonna take out the oil rig with the missile.
Alejandro's back there with the shadows. All stations, clear the rig now. I say again, clear the rig.
Oh right, Alejandro's on the rig. Oh my god, they want me to get off the rig.
We need it in diagnostic mode so I can bypass the login. Soap, hit the clear and mode keys at the same time.
Oh my god.
Done. Stations, prepare for
It's a little mohawk. I just realized it looks really fluffy. If you want to pet it. Oh. Oh. Oh, this is even bigger than that first one. The very beginning with the ghost.
Jesus.
Alejandro, you okay?
You safe? We're good here, Herman.
Oh, I love how much they care for each other. Are you safe? We're good. And you? We're safe too.
Copy that, Shadow 1. Good work. Now get off that X and go home. So, Ghost, thanks for a job well done.
Roger that, actual. We're RTB, men.
Oh. Okay, maybe he's not a sussy baka. Maybe I'm just being weird. Like, I don't trust people easily, maybe. Oh? Did we not get all the- wait, hang on. Oh, there's more.
What's this?
This is the immediate fusion. Step away from the gate.
Wait, what?
What?
You heard me.
You're crazy. This is my base.
Not a base. This is a sizable covert facility, and I admire it. So I'm taking. You boys have been relieved. Thank you for your service.
No.
Oh my god, I was right, he is a sussy baka! He is a sussy baka!
Now that makes me wonder what else I don't know about your affiliation with the drug lord.
What the fuck did you just say to me, pendejo?
They were flying briefs.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No one needs to get hurt here.
Are you threatening us?
Soldier.
Yeah,
I
you
don't
tell him,
make
Daddy!
threats. I make guarantees.
No,
let's
screw
not
you!
Do this.
I knew you were a sussy baka!
Call him Shepard.
General Shepard sends his regards. He told me all would take this
The
well.
Lannisters sends their regard.
He's put me in command of this operation from here on out. So y'all need to stand down. It's time to let the pros finish this.
I love how Ghost is just like unimpressed. That's another meme moment. I feel like that's another meme moment.
And now you
Glancing over.
And who the fuck do you think you are, cabron? My men are inside!
I'm afraid not. Your men have been detained.
Does that mean they're dead?
What the fuck?
They opened fire first, they're the bad guys. That is justified.
Go, Johnny! Get out of there! So!
Johnny, oh yeah, right, soap. Oh, Ghost! Ghost is like, get out of here! It's so funny because when he first met, he was just like, oh my god, this kid. Wait. Doesn't mean Ghost? Wait, where's Ghost? Is Ghost okay?
You there, Ghost? That was a big mistake, brother.
Don't brother me, you asshole. Oh my god, no, Ghost. Wait, is he dead? Is Ghost dead? No! Haha!
Find him.
No, you go die in a hole. Go die in a hole. Man, I feel like this is actually more interesting than any of the earlier parts of the game. Like, that was exhilarating. But now it is 6 p.m. PST.